good morning and happy Thursday. We are back off to Flambards today because the tickets that we got on Sunday, you can validate them and you can return within 7 days for free, I believe. I think it's for free anyway. So that's what we're up to today, and it's been really cold and rainy out at the moment, so I'm wearing jeans today, which I'm a bit annoyed about because I was hoping for some sunshine so I can get more tan. Although it's probably a good idea because I think I've kind of burned the top of my head because I'm stupid and I didn't bring a hat with me and I don't really want to go and buy one. So that's what we're up to today. Hopefully it'll dry up a bit later on, but my dad has told me that it's a high chance of rain again later, but fingers crossed. So that's what we're up to today, and I hope that you enjoy. It takes about an hour to get to Flambards, and we've been in the car for about an hour and 50 minutes and we've been stuck in a traffic jam for about 40 odd minutes. Oh, we're almost there. Got less than a mile left to go, but it's taking forever because some like, is it an air show, Dad?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's some like air show on down here as well, and everyone's going to that, and oh. 2 hours and something minutes later since we left, we have finally arrived. And the sun's out a bit now. Yeah. So now we're just walking down there and we've got to go hand our tickets in. Yeah. And then we should be able to get going. Famalam! Right, back on the Hornet. I'm on the front this time. So me and Tash just went on the Colorado River Rapids.
We got soaked.
And we're a little bit damp, as you can sort of tell. We're now on the cyclocopters again, hoping that this maybe will help us dry off a bit. And Dad and Granddad are in a green one behind us somewhere, and I've got really stiff pedals. Not the beast like I said the other day, and I don't like it. Oh no. Oh my days. Victorian Village. I'm going to show you bits I didn't show you last time.
I wasn't ready. I told you I wouldn't get anything.
Alright.
I tried. Yay!
Fine.
green one. You'll disappoint me. There you go. I told you I'd get a green one.
I want to go.
Tania wants one now. Yay!
So me and Tash just went on the like the grabber machines. Tash got a green one,
Mr.
and it was £2 per go, and you're surprised every time. And somehow I ended up with 2 because my one picked up 2. So
It was a
blue and orange one.
prize because it wouldn't grab to begin with.
True. It's New York Knicks colours as well.
Oh yeah.
We're done at Flambards and we're going to go to the factory shop. Grandad needs to go get some shoes and we'll have a look at some like the discount perfumes that they've got there. And then from there we're going to the White House.
But that's loud.
Oh, planes, there's like a display show like I mentioned earlier, it's nearby. Anyway, they go to the White House for dinner and then back to camp.
Right, have you got any twos?
Go fish.
3.
I'm not meant to know what you have. My go, do you have any threes?
What you just saw was my sister and Grandad playing Go Fish, which was the funniest thing I've ever seen play because my Grandad had no idea what he was doing. So we've come back and just chilled. I've been editing the vlog together again, reading some blog loving posts. I got my summer bundle giveaway post that's just gone up, so check out the blog below and you should be able to find it. It should only be a couple of days old by the time you see this. And now I'm just going to go have my shower like usual, then chill for the rest of the evening. It's been really cold and rainy outside, so we haven't been able to go to the beach or around the cliffs, and we didn't get to go do badminton like we were hoping because the weather's been a bit horrible since we got back in. Those glorious sunshine when we were down in Flambards. So just for now I'm going to end the vlog here and I will see you guys tomorrow. I believe we're going to Bodmin Jail. I'm not entirely sure yet, but that sounds like what we're going to be doing according to my dad. So hopefully that's what I will be showing you tomorrow. See you guys later. Bye.